Finding top performers for your company is about more than just skills. It's about finding individuals who will thrive in and enrich your business. They're not only experts in their field that are a joy to work with, but also excel in problem solving and adapting to new challenges. But what do you actually need to do to hire them? First up, define what top performance means specifically for your company. Think beyond the general job descriptions. What specific goals do you need to achieve? What initiatives should they drive? Set clear, measurable criteria related to your strategic objectives. Next, enhance your sourcing strategy. Don't just post on job boards and wait for something to happen. Tap into industry networks, use platforms like LinkedIn, attend specialized conferences, and don't overlook employee referrals. Your current high achievers likely know others who fit the bill. Once you have identified a potential target candidate, don't mess it up. Even if you don't hire them, their experience of being a candidate will reflect on you in the market. Yes, people talk. Use this to your advantage by providing a great candidate experience. When you interview, make sure to be prepared. Use structured interviews and practical assessments that engage candidates and provide them with the information about you as well as the business. Develop questions that relate directly to the role's core responsibilities and the qualities that spell success in your company's context. Assess their problem-solving skills and ability to innovate through real-world scenarios or project-based tasks that are reflective of your business. Avoid using what works for Google or Amazon because that is rarely, if ever, relevant to your business. Let's also not forget that it's culture adaptability, not culture fit, that is the key here, as it is the best indicator of long-term job success. It's not enough that candidates fit into your current culture. They must also be capable of adapting and evolving with it as your company grows. During interviews, explore how they've adapted to various work environments in the past and how they handle change and challenges. Crucially, how you hire is often a reflection of how you function as a business. Make sure to put your best foot forward here. Provide timely feedback, keep candidates engaged and informed, and be respectful. It's hard enough finding great people. Don't let yourself down by giving them a bad hiring experience. Now, if these insights were helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.